there is a clear quantitative benefit in terms of the kind of ease with which we are able to create this bench and able to absorb people who are already good, highly skilled kind of apprentices. Qualitatively, it is, I would say, in case if I have to compare, I would say that it is a clear benchmark that has been created now. Saying that if these people, if the apprentices who are just trainees who are able to do it, how can I improve the productivity of the on-rolls employees who are already working with us with experience? So that benchmark has been created, and when in our various analysis we are able to present that. So qualitatively, it's the entire experience, the program, the outcome of the program, which is beneficial from the productivity angle for the organization, cost angle for the organization. It's automatically proving for itself.
I think the first thing which we have been able to get is the kind of a intellectual brain into the manufacturing process, because we've put down a minimum threshold of the kind of qualification. So we're only hiring diploma freshers. So that kind of a minimum threshold in terms of intellectual strengths that we build into the system. In other aspects of the qualitative output, again, would be the kind of internal growth we are able to generate. So that's another very big advantage that we have, because we have homegrown talent by this entire process. And that adds to people who are attuned to our culture, our working style, our norms, everything, and becomes far more easier to manage discipline and output both. So those are, I would say, the two primary qualitative outputs. And also as an qualitative, um, in terms of quantitative output, I would say the first thing is the cost advantage that we have. I mean, I don't want to put it as a cost per se, but yes, in terms of ROI on the business, for the business as part, in terms of cost of manpower, as so that's been quite helpful. To a large extent, we've been able to manage production at a good, I think, per person or per product cost. And the other quantitative part would definitely mean, because of the kind of people we'll have on the shop floor by this, the diploma holders, our quality defects, etc., are not that high. I mean, they're far better as compared to our earlier situation, when our reliance on contractual manpower used to be very high.
I have an opportunity to train a raw person to become more and more experienced into my trade, and I stand an opportunity to retain him as required by me at any given point of time. That is one of the qualitative I'm going to enjoy. Then the other thing, as I said, the liberal rules with reference to the manpower management. With this apprentice thing, the flexibility is there in the labor laws complaints. I mean, that is an advantage. And when that advantage is there, there is definitely a cost benefit is there to the organization. It has benefited with that extent. Like today, I mean, if I give you an example, suppose in case of apprenticeship, I am okay to pay only stipend and I am not going to pay that ESI, PF, whatever the thing. Now, question is, for a guy, it's not that I want to make any money out of that situation. If I compensate him by way of an incentive for him, his on-hand payment is more. So today, this younger generation, what they see is what I need today is today. For tomorrow, I have not reached that situation to think about tomorrow, because this is the younger generation. Maybe a middle-aged people will think, okay, I need to save for the future, the social security measures, all those things others will think. For these people, they want cash in hand. So this gives me a flexibility wherein I can afford to pay them and they will be happy. This is the kind of advantages is there.
We have a trained pool of people. Over the last 5 years, more than 95% of our requirement for fitters has been fulfilled by this program. That is huge for us. The second thing I would say is, say they're so young. So what happens is that they don't come with baggage, right? We train them the way we want to. So they get trained from scratch. Whereas if I'm hiring a person from outside, they have to first unlearn and then learn. So over here, they are from the beginning brought up, with Schindler values. Is Sumit there on the call?
Yes, yes, I'm very much there.
Oh, okay. All right. I couldn't see. I couldn't. Okay, all right. Yeah. So I was saying that these apprentices, actually, once they come on board, they are like literally born and brought up within Schindler. So they live the values in terms of safety, in terms of overall efficiency, because we actually measure efficiencies, but efficiency is measured on how quickly can you complete an installation. How well can you complete it, which means the quality is measured. There is actually a person who will come and do a check on the quality of installation. So there's this whole checklist they carry with them. So the efficiency also improves. And from the safety perspective, the lesser number of accidents, the lesser number of fatalities we have, it is of course more productive hours for us. So those are the immediate benefits that I see. And I also see that once these fitters come into the company, once they are with Schindler on the payroll, the attrition is very low.